Throughout history, human ingenuity has been pushed to the limit. When challenges arose, minds went to work, and in times of conflict, the result was some of the most incredible machines ever built. Welcome to Engines of War. Today, we are exploring the technology, the physics, and the mechanics behind the greatest military devices of all time. What do gravity mechanics and human creativity have in common? They built some of the most incredible machines ever created. Experts and historians have many different views. Some focus on the struggle for power and territory. Others emphasize the fight for ideology and governance. This, there is no single cause and there is no single solution. Beyond the maps and the politics, there is a human reality. Millions of peoples have been displaced, families have been separated, has been destroyed. Communities that have existed for thousands of years face uncertainty every single day, regardless of who you are or where you stand. The cost of war is measured in human lives and suffering. That is a truth shared by everyone.